time with you, just the two of us. We
Can be your sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rot. I can be your cherry apple pecan on your.
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
What the fuck is this shit, dude? How's it do? Oh fuck, I'm getting wet! No, man! How the fuck is it doing that shit, dude? No, I hate it! I don't wanna be wet, dude! No, but how's it doing that? How's it doing that, dude? I don't understand, but it's getting me wet and I hate it, dude! Somebody please make it stop! Please make it stop! Somebody turn it off, dude! Get it away from me! No! I don't like it!
I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass, I'm a bitch. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass, I'm a bitch. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass, I'm a bitch. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass.
In Lancashire, with a mum desperate to turn the tide on her family's current eating, shopping and spending habits. We are the Allison family!
Watch how excited my bird gets for when Allie comes over.
Manga? Who is that? Who is that? Is that Allie, Manga? That's Allie! Go see her, Manga! Go see Allie! There she is, Manga! Aww, so happy!
Might even cut my hair and change my name, 'cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop houses driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Well, I'll stay.
hell no, to the no, hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, hell no, to the no, hell to the no, hell no, hell to the no, hell no.
Vamos a hacer caquita, güey. Dale, caquita en el baño. Es todo, pinche Rafa. Y todavía haces lo que hiciste, güey. Bájale al baño. Es todo. Las manitas. Lávate las manitas. Es todo. Ya nomás sécatelas y ya, para que te enseñes a todo, güey. Ya, vámonos. Oh, el culo no te lo limpiaste. Ah, pero no hay wipes. Bueno, ahí te la debo, Rafa.
are going to make a Starboy today, and then we are going to immediately use it. So I put up a new YouTube video on the Vaguely Confused YouTube channel. You should check it out. I may show my face at the end of the video for all you who have wanted a face reveal. A more current face reveal, I have another one. I'm also going to be visiting my family in New York State, so some of my upcoming videos might be about that. It's the burb. Little burb.
Everywhere! It just grabbed all over.